各位網友，如果想獲取更加多關於財富增值、理財投資嘅資訊，歡迎加入財富 BB 班。購買方法有3種：第一，成為財富 BB Club Patreon 嘅會員；方法二，喺現有 CC 工作室嘅 Patreon 裏邊有一個新嘅財富 BB 班嘅 Tier， 連埋大伙85折優惠；方法三，喺 Patreon 裏邊嘅 Shop 商店單購2024 2月版。今日開始理財投資，我哋喺班上面見啦。
我始終覺得喺好冇希望嘅環境底下，你都唔能夠抌低希望呢兩個字。
2019年，香港人經歷嘅係抗爭；2020年，香港人面對疫情、國安法，之後好多香港人開始移民，流散各地，搬屋、搬錢、搬人。香港人開始喺唔同嘅地方生活，而香港都可能再唔係我哋以前嘅香港。不過香港人從來都係生存遊戲嘅專家。睇下最後邊個冧先咯。阿媽話屋企人喺邊，邊度就係屋企。咁我會想講，唔使分咩海外同埋在地，只要係講香港人嘅聲音，嗰個就係香港人嘅網台。我係 Kelvin，你收睇緊嘅係 CC 新聞。咁咧就而家就源自於呢位叫亞嘅某呢啦咁樣，咁咧就喺佢自己大陸嗰啲嘅中國嗰啲抖音片咧就講一啲武統嘅説話，咁咧就台灣而家就趕 Q 你出去啦嚇咁樣，咁咧而家就唔單止係亞，仲有幾個陸配咧都趕 Q 埋出去咁樣，咁佢咧就開咗個記招喺度喊苦喊忽咁樣，喺度扮慘嚇咁。講真啦，即係其實好分裂嘅。正常人咧你就呃唔到噶啦嚇。咁你呃嗰啲咧都係嗰啲反綠啊，或者藍白嗰啲啦，或者係小粉紅嗰啲啦咁樣。咁感覺上咧，而家台灣咧其實係再綠咗少少嘅，即係咁唔係叫綠嘅，即係叫再反中，應該用反中，唔好講綠嚇。因為好多人咧其實佢係不滿民進黨，但係更加不滿你共產黨嘛，大佬。咁樣，咁所以呢啲當個社會氛圍咧，去到一個咁樣嘅，即係越嚟越厭中、反中、抗中嘅情況之下咧，咁呢啲嘢咧，全部咧都係就叫加油，即係叫加油添火，唔係嗰個叫咩咧？嗰個咪叫加油，又唔係加油添醬嗰個叫咩咧？嗰個叫火上加油。係啦，咁啊令到呢個大罷免咧就更加如火如荼咁樣嘅。不過而家大罷免咧其實係艱難嘅，因為第二階段咧要喺60日之內咧就攞10% 嘅投票咁樣嗱，咁所以咧即係嗱，我呢個節目就冇辦法啦，大部分都係香港觀眾嘅，咁但係我又知道好多朋友咧就去台灣嚇，咁呢2個月裏邊咧，如果你到台灣經過啲街站嘅話咧，咁啊不妨就同我哋打打氣咯，同我哋講話我哋香港人都好關注你嘅大罷免嘅情況嚇，咁啊全力支持咁樣嘅。好啦，嗱。先講嗱，今日好多片睇，即係多到爆炸。OK， 咁就我就一路播呢啲新聞，就一路俾你睇，一路播片一路講呢啲新聞啦，咁樣。嗱，呢個亞就咁樣嘅，佢咧就喺琴日3月25號咧就離開台灣啦。咁啊，成個 flat 上邊咧即係吹啊，就上面就一片歡呼聲。外交部咧都要回應呢件事，嗱佢都嗱而家外交部都小心啊。外交部點講咧？佢話我冇留意相關報導，我想強調嘅係台灣係中國領土不可分割部分。嗱，你見到好含蓄今次，點解呢？如果你一好高調咁講啊，台灣唔應該咁樣歧視陸配嗱，咁其實你唔知個後果點樣嘅，你俾台灣人覺得咦唔係喎，哇！你外交部為陸配講説話，真係有古怪喎，重大喎。同埋你本身喺台灣嗰啲有任務在身嗰啲陸配呢，就更加危險。你不如就輕輕踢過就算數啦。嗱，所以其實外交部佢唔係唔 feel 到啲民情嘅。你問我就咁，同埋呢，始終呢個亦都未牽涉到佢，即係講真啲陸配就算的走咗嘅話呢，亦都唔牽涉佢自己嗰啲，即係去到佢嘅底線。咁所以呢，就唔使咁高調啦。即係譬如你話如果美國去制裁啊呢啲呢，係咪咁一定要強硬回應嘅嚇？咁呢個呢，就放過你先咁樣。好啦，呢個網紅就叫劉鎮雅啦嚇，咁啊之前講過啦，咁佢咧就同佢嗱佢自己翻去嘅 ，OK， 咁咧就有啲好好笑嘅撐紅嘅 post，譬如話你可以憎大陸人，但係啊有冇諗過啊？ 佢啲仔啊點樣啊咁樣，即係白痴。呢個咧勁似咧。當初呢個邊境沙皇啊 Tom Hoffman 啊係接受呢個AOC 嘅呢個咁嘅左膠之霸啦，OK 嚇咁啊，即係呢個議員質詢就話啦，你啊點解要分開啲嘅嗰啲拆散人哋嘅家庭，即係講驅逐非法移民咁啊 Tom Hoffman 就話，如果有個老豆老母犯咗法，你拉佢咁都係拆散啦，完全呆咗，完全冇得答，你咁都得嘅咁樣，基本上就。咁咧而家咧就趕走咗一件咧，就仲有另外兩件嘅嚇，咁啊就包括咧等下先啊，包括等等啊，即係實在開太多呢啲咁嘅 threads 啦。嗱包括呢啲小微啊，咩恩琪啊呢啲，全部都牽涉啊。幫助中國宣傳統戰嗰啲咧，就3月31號咧就依法出境，就咁啦。嗱，咁而家咧就去到社會上邊咧，就去到個大辯論嘅呢個情況，係嗰度大辯論嘅。咁咧咁佢哋即係佢哋咧就踢咗去翻大陸咧，就有單嘢都係相當之好笑嘅。點樣咧？就係有直播嗱，即係話咧已經放晒風噶啦，一落機場即刻隱形咗，即係即刻唔知去邊啦。個直播咧。播到咁上下就斷咗，即係去到咁樣喎。嗱，我俾個直播畫面大家睇下。OK， 好，去片先啊，呢度 OK， 黐線，嚟。睇下，咁咧播下咧，去到中間咧，我較快啲先啊。突然間斷咗嘅，突然間直播斷咗，咁因為咧就實在太搞笑，就太多網友就識玩啦。咁我懷疑有啲係台灣嘅 ，OK， 就入到去咧就係話咩，不如講下啲武統嘢啊，係咪點啊？台灣咩環境啊咁樣，跟住咧好笑個直播主咧都不斷留言啫，唔好講敏感詞啊，唔好講敏感詞，嘣一聲咁就冇 Q 咗啦。OK， 嗱，除咗佢之外咧，佢個女咧都拍啲好 Q 嘔電嘅片嘅，話咩四川艦啊，咩劍有所指啊，就咁樣。嗱 OK， 嗱呢度咧嗰個亞咧就上唔同嘅節目咧，就諗住洗白嘅。咁結果呢個節目咧，就反而俾個主持咧就問到口啞啞，就問佢個女講呢個台灣咩四川艦劍有所指係咩意思咧？我哋睇睇片啊。
要立大功，劍有所指，不就是台灣嗎？
那你說呀，不是我說的。
那如果不是台灣，你覺得你女兒講的會是哪一個國家？哪一個國家？
我不知道啊。
那他的劍有所指
知道嗎？
劍有所指，中國還有其他劍有所指的國家嗎？
這個東西我覺得就是
話呢啲咁嘅人，你睇佢個口面啊，係嘛？即係有時我都承認係衰嘅，即係有時我同太太咧，嗱高雄好多嘅，南部好好多啦，比較少大陸人啦，或者有咧都係經已好耐嗰啲啦，都已經係好本地即係台灣化。咁嗱又咁講，再講多次，陸配或者大陸人咧有好人嘅，即係要咁樣講，係咪先？但係咧有時我哋見到啲格好衰嗰啲咧，我哋不免會諗。點解唔係一係咧就死富二代有錢仔係嘛？好多嘅 OK， 有啲台北嗰度有 Q， 即係度度都好有錢啦。有啲人係咪大陸人嚟？因為我哋睇啲格咧，有啲嘢台灣人又唔會做係嘛？即係冇一啲大陸就譬如踎喺度啊，隨地抌垃圾啊，大聲講嘢啊，嗰啲尤其是即係仔女周圍跑啊，呢啲我哋都會諗，喂，即係你咪大陸人嚟㗎？即係咁，你睇頭先嗰個嗰個格講嘢嗰個格嗰種黑人憎，哇！即係，因為我而家就好少接觸大陸人噶嘛，係嘛？即係回憶翻晒嚟嘅。因為以前你乜咁，你10幾年前都翻過大陸噶嘛？你一去到深圳嗰個格，或者唔好話深圳啦，已經其實你去到北部啊，嚇，即係唔好意思啦，係咪？即係你去北部地方，我住過屯門噶嘛，係咪？咁你喂嗰啲咁嘅人，嗰啲格，哇！即係有樣嘢即係叫格。好啦， 咁咧就頭先講過啦，除咗呢個亞亞之外咧，就過去廣州幾件嘅。咁呢個就好笑啦。咁呢個咧就係叫欣琪啊，OK 嗱。咁同埋一個小薇啦，嗱小薇個老公就話唔係啊，嗌統一咧唔係原意唔係話真係統一㗎，係要帶貨賺錢啊，即係話我揾食啫，嗱即係揾食啫，就咁樣樣嗱。俾個畫面大家睇下先啦。OK 嗱，即係揾食啫咁樣樣。咁佢咧就3月20號俾移民處約談，21號收到公文，10日內離開香港咁樣樣。嚟咗嫁咗台灣12年。嗱，咁一直都未攞到身份證，咁咧點解咧？因為達唔到每年停留183日6年嘅條件，咁就咁佢就話會行法律程序啦，但係最尾唔得嘅話咧，就要翻大陸啦，就咁樣。嗱，你以前咧呢啲咁樣嘅，其實雖然同美國好唔同，呢度就唔牽涉左右之爭。但係咧，我覺得個社會氛圍咧個變化有啲似嘅，即係譬如話以前你想你呢啲咪趕走呢啲咧，譬如趕走呢啲咪口即係心係祖國呢啲唔知係人係鬼嗰啲咧，個爭拗性好大，係咪？一講呢啲咧就牽涉到係咪歧視陸配，係咪打壓人權，係咪所有共產，係咪所有即係嗰啲叫咩？又要濫用呢個咩亡國論。又要用嗰個咩抗中打呢個抗中保台牌咁樣樣，但係點解去到今時今刻，市民對呢啲趕走陸配咁想呢？咁憤怒呢？就梗係因為呢一年裏邊見到你哋藍白嘅行為啦，係嘛？即係市民有眼睇啊嘛，係嘛？即係好似我哋香港咁樣，講真，你97年之後嗰10年，大家都冇咁大反應㗎，我哋經歷過。係咪？我哋想同台灣人講，我哋經歷過俾中共管治嘅蜜月期，但係時間一耐咗，日久就見呢個魔性，係嘛？腫瘤都係腫瘤，病毒都係病毒，中共都係中共，係冇變嘅，只係包唔住火，係嘛？咁而家台灣咪就係咯，喂，俾你呢個咁嘅藍白陣營把持咗個國會，都不足幾個月就即刻圖窮匕現，喂，傅崑萁。黃國昌呢啲嘢，喂，而家就算連台北啊咁天龍國啊都知道發生緊咩事，係咪？所以點解個大罷免第一階段會30幾比0啊？就係咁樣。呢啲咁嘅新聞呢，即係雖然我嚟台灣時間唔可以話好耐，都係講緊3年，但係2-3年前啊，呢啲話題出咗嚟啊，都係爭議性好，即係都唔會而家咁接近一面倒啊，走啦，翻大陸啦，即係去到咁樣嘅情況。好啦，嗱，賴清德咧近排就非常之強硬啦，包括之前講過滲透17條啦，又要恢復討論呢個軍事法庭啦。面對住呢個陸配事件呢，我哋聽下我哋嘅賴總統點樣講法。
我這個東西我覺得
要咁樣飛。
鼓吹戰爭、仇恨和強暴罪行，傷害自己的國家和國人，不是言論自由，是聯合國公民與政治權利國際公約所明確規範的犯罪行為。政府為了保護國人、保護國家，應該做的事情就要去做。
是嗎？
好，嗱，呢講得幾好啊，係嘛？其實你問我咧，根本就唔使講咁多道理，即係喂，有個比喻講得非常之好。係嘛？你喺我屋企門口度話喊，喂，我要拆佢你屋企咁樣，咁我一腳踢走你啦，係咪先？但係賴總統又唔可以咁樣講，係咪先？嗱，有根有強嘅，係嘛？根據聯合國定義，鼓勵戰爭啊！你而家仲要講緊犯罪行為，係嘛？喂，剔走你，呢叫合情合理，係咪？咁咧好多大討論嗱，其中咧我想同大家分享一下，因為我知道咧好多香港朋友咧，你就唔會無厘頭咧就去睇啲咩政論節目嘅，好多香港人咧覺得好嘈。好嘈吵嚇，我又明白嘅咁樣樣，咁但係呢，始終呢個就係人哋有言論自由國家，係言論自由好嘈，但係呢，嘈得嚟呢，係即係點樣講呢？即係話民主之路呢，就在爭吵 煩喧鬧中咧就向前進嘅。所以我同大家就 cut 少少，我認為精華。咁啊，其中咧呢啲幾個節目咧都係比較多睇嘅。咁啊，第一個當然係新聞面對面啦，咁樣。咁其中咧左邊個咧就係阿相公嚇，呢個阿相義夫 ，OK。咁佢係一個有政壇活化石之名嘅好資深噶啦。右邊個咧就係冚家富貴國民黨嘅好戰狼嘅凌濤。咁咧之前咧咪同大家報告過嗰個好乸好笑嘅嗰個食女定食仔嗰個所謂色情信息事件，咁咧嗰啲都好小事嘅啫。OK， 咁咧佢逢係一上節目咧就都係撩交嗌噶啦。咁今次咧就睇下佢大戰呢個相義夫啦。好，去片。
This is White House Express, brought to you by Editor and AI Voice.
Give us your sense of the scoring, as it were, on that bill, because I know you're concerned about the deficit. A lot of people are concerned it's not helping us that much in the deficit.
美國時間5月24號，美國財政部長 Scott Bessent 坐低接受 David Westin 專訪，講清楚特朗普政府點樣透過貿易、減稅同削減監管，打造一套屬於美國嘅經濟增長策略。佢話整個政策架構有3支柱：貿易、稅收同埋去監管。而最新呢條稅改法案唔只係延續2017年嘅措施，仲係為企業、家庭帶嚟長遠穩定預期。
Concerned about or have been concerned about, are we controlling expenses? Yes. Are we going to grow the economy and accelerate the economy and stabilize and then bring down the total debt to GDP? And I think this bill does a great job of that.
至於大家最關心嘅赤字問題，佢話2028年前要拉到落3字頭。佢強調，我哋要睇嘅唔係單一赤字數字，而係經濟增長能唔能夠跑贏債務。好多正面影響好似關稅收入、藥價改革、對住部門慳錢節流，根本冇喺官方估算入面計。
What the scoring doesn't include, we have substantial tariff income coming in, so that's not included. We have DOGE savings in the hundreds of billions, that's not included. And then President Trump has made this very bold proposal on prescription drug pricing, which could save HHS substantial amounts of money. So none of those are included. So I'm very optimistic.
講到歐盟，佢就比較直白，話歐盟談判效率慢，美國已經等夠。如果再冇實質行動，6月1號開始，歐盟貨品將會被徵收50%關稅。但佢又話，亞洲夥伴就積極得多，好似英國同印度，交易好快就會有消息。
And I think the president was getting frustrated with the EU. The problem with EU, I've said several times, they have a collective action problem. There are 27 countries. They all have different needs. The Germans, they are interested in cars, the French in agriculture. So, and then you have Brussels negotiating with them.
講開關稅，佢都提到蘋果。佢話特朗普政府已經明言，希望 Apple 返嚟美國做 iPhone。如果唔係，就會有25%關稅等緊。佢話蘋果喺疫情之後已經開始調整供應鏈，今次係進一步推動精密製造回流。
Concerned when we see yields going up on U.S. Treasuries and the dollar weakening. Normally, that's not the way it works, as I understand it. Is that something we should be concerned about?
Well, I'm not concerned about it because I think part of it is we are seeing other countries step up. So I wouldn't, on many of them, I wouldn't necessarily categorize it as a weak dollar. It's for the first time in much of my career, Europe is actually going through a fiscal expansion. Back to this new German government, that they are opening the German purse for the first time, maybe even since the advent of the euro. They're taking off the debt brake. So the fundamentals are driving the euro. Japan is seeing a large increase in interest rates. Driven by the Bank of Japan. So, I think a lot of this is other countries strengthening, or other countries currencies strengthening as opposed to the dollar weakening.
對於 One Big Beautiful Bill 只係險勝一票通過，佢話理解參議院有意見，但堅持經濟增長先係解決財政赤字嘅方法。佢又講到 DOGE 同 IRS 改革，佢話 IRS 仲喺用90年代舊系統，效率低下，未來要徹底現代化。而 DOGE 推動嘅政府效能改革，將會係佢一生中最重要嘅項目之一。
So we had a great collections year this year. Came in above target, and this modernization program, the tech modernization program at the IRS was begun in 1990. The young man who was in charge of it was not, who I put in charge of it was not even born then. So that it's $15 billion over budget. It's a $3.5 billion a year budget. I think it's running on COBOL, which is what I may have learned in college on 12 different systems. So we are going to fix that. And I think all three of my priorities are going to be served. And I think it could be substantial savings to the American people, because the IRS roughly processes as many transactions as a mid-sized U.S. bank, which does it at 10% of the number of people, 10% of the cost.
最後，佢總結話：只要我哋可以改變增長嘅走勢，就可以改寫美國嘅財政未來。成場訪問唔止分析政策，更展現咗一種要做嘢嘅政治意志。
Again, David, let's talk about can you grow the denominator faster than the numerator? Like the reason we got here was, think about taking out a home mortgage. It's fine if the value of your house is stable or growing faster than the debt. What's happened is, that previous administrations took out a big mortgage. We didn't grow our way out of it. Now, I actually think that there is a chance that we can constrain the spending, up the growth, and that changes the trajectory. Because going back to this CBO scoring, which is alien to anything that makes sense, that if you cut taxes, they still score growth at 1.7, 1.8%. If we raise taxes, and if this tax bill didn't go through, it would be the biggest tax hike in history, then growth stays at 1.8%. So, I think that we can accelerate growth here.
Well, thank you very much. We have a very big announcement today. It has to do with nuclear energy and other things. And this is all nuclear. It's a hot industry. It's a brilliant industry. You have to do it right.
美國時間5月23號，美國總統特朗普喺橢圓辦公室簽咗幾份超級重要嘅行政命令，目標好清楚，就係要令美國再次變成全球最勁嘅核能強國。佢話：呢啲核電計劃唔只係為咗供電咁簡單，重點係未來嘅AI戰爭，邊個控制能源，邊個就領先。所以今次做法就係要為 AI 同軍事基地提供穩定電力。
Well, thank you, President Trump. This is a huge day for the nuclear industry. Mark this day on your calendar. This is going to turn the clock back on over 50 years of over-regulation of an industry. American greatness has always come from innovation, and we were very innovative. We led post-World War II in all things nuclear. But then we've been stagnated. We've choked it with over-regulation. Today, Will is going to walk us through a series of 4 executive orders. Each of these help attack separate issues that have held back this industry. And with us today, we've got a number of CEOs from the industry representing some of our largest nuclear providers, but also a big change. This is a time when capital and competition has finally come to this industry. We've got venture capital, we've got startups coming into all aspects of small modular nuclear, and we've also got an EO that's talking about the importance of us having a secure supply chain of being able to get that fuel load here in the United States as opposed from foreign sources. This has
而家呢，美國會推動一啲新型細細地嘅核反應堆，唔單止快，仲環保。而佢簽嘅幾份命令入面，有一份就係要加快審批流程，唔再俾政府部門拖住手腳，拖10幾20年先見到一個核電廠。
because this is the first time in history where electricity can be translated into intelligence. And we need that intelligence for every aspect of our economy, but also for defense. Pete Hegseth in the Department of Defense has been a key part of this, and this is going to help us make sure that we're providing the defense we need, where we need that AI, need the electricity, but also to secure our bases here at home and around the world.
Energy security is national security. If we don't have reliable energy for our basing, for our troops, whether forward deployed or domestically, we're vulnerable. So by having small modular nuclear capabilities, which are rapidly being fielded, that we can use on our bases here and around the world, we're creating an environment where if things happen elsewhere, the military can be relied upon. Also, we're including artificial intelligence into everything we do. If we don't, we're not fast enough. We're not keeping up with adversaries. You need the energy to fuel it. Nuclear is a huge part of that, modular or otherwise. So we're going to have the lights on and AI operating when others do not, faster than everybody else.
佢哋仲話要將核燃料生產拉返嚟美國做，唔再靠外國供應，特別係唔可以再靠中國。特朗普重申，美國唔只係要夠電用，而係要夠快、夠勁、夠自主，咁樣先可以令 AI 產業、軍事、經濟樣樣跑贏全世界。最後，佢一句總結。我哋唔係走反轉頭用舊核能，而係用創新方式打開未來。
They won't be needed too much, but they'll literally be able to do it in an entire state. And you've read a lot about cost overruns in a couple of states that were pretty significant, but we're not going to have cost overruns. And the technology's come a long way, both in safety and cost and everything else.
未講完嘅，唔係最 update 嘅，梗係啦，呢個只係 Patreon 嘅節錄內容。想收看收聽最新最齊全嘅內容，就要做我哋嘅 Patreon 會員啦。Patreon 會員對我哋嘅網台營運非常重要，希望你支持，加入我哋一齊建造全新嘅香港人網台媒體。
DeepSeek 嘅冒起，特朗普嘅關稅，中美科技戰，係引爆科技股泡沫，定係投資未來 AI 嘅機會呢？ AI BB 班節錄超過2小時嘅節目內容，博通、Marvell、AMD、Palantir、Intel、ASML 6隻晶片半導體科技股嘅分析研究。想知道我哋點樣拆解呢幾間公司嘅發展同埋走向 ？AI BB 班喺財富 BB 班同埋 CC 工作室嘅 Patreon 同步上架，馬上訂購，多謝支持！今日開始理財投資。